You can expect a lot from the 2019 GMC Sierra 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck stands out among competitors in its class. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.